So you just finished recording some audio for one of your projects, and when you bring it in your editing software, you realize that your audio is messed up and sounds like this. With your time and with your YouTube channel. You know, personally, if I heard this kind of feedback, obviously the best case scenario would be that you can re-record your audio so that you have the best sound quality possible, but sometimes maybe that's not an option and you can't re-record. So whatever the reason, I'll show you how I would improve this audio inside of DaVinci Resolve. So first you must isolate the part of your audio that has the issue. In DaVinci Resolve, I would press C to use the cut tool, and I would click at the beginning and at the end of the segment. And then once you select it, you can go in the audio settings and go down a bit until you find the equalizer. So once you turn it on, you'll see a line appear with a few dots on it, and the left side of this line represents deep and low sounds, and on the right side of the line, these are the high-pitched sounds. So this puffing sound that we're trying to get rid of is kind of on the lower end of the sounds, if you will. So I would pick the dot the furthest on the left and move it around so we're basically ignoring the lowest sounds of the audio. Now, obviously this means you're gonna alter your sound quality. This is kind of a hack, right? Nothing will beat re-recording your audio and making sure that this puffing effect isn't happening. And if you're striving for the absolute best sound quality, this might not work out for you, but I'll show you if you adjust it a little bit, this is what it sounds like before and after. You know, personally, if I heard this kind of feedback. Now, obviously this trick can work up to a certain extent, but if your audio received too much wind, it might be unsalvageable. Here, I'll show an example that's a bit worse from the same recording session, with your time and with your YouTube channel. In this one, the puffing sound effect is very strong and it will be harder to get rid of. So in order to fix this one, I added an additional dot. You can do that in DaVinci Resolve, and I feel like it gave me a bit more control when trying to fix this audio. But in order to get rid of the puffing sound in this case, I had to lower quite a bit the lower sounds of the audio. So when you're listening to this segment, you'll hear that the audio kind of sounds a bit different just for this small line, but I do think it's much more subtle than hearing the big puffing sound as it was before. With your time and with your YouTube channel. With your time and with your YouTube channel. Now, like I said many times in this video, the best solution for this problem is to re-record your footage, but it was most likely caused by your microphone. In my case, I needed to add a mic cover. It can come in many shapes, but it basically covers your mic to be sure that if there's gusts of wind, the mic won't pick it up so strongly. So I already did a video on this topic. I found some mic covers that were extremely cheap, very easy to install, so I highly recommend it. So I'll put up a link to that video. I hope this was useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.